Learn about a country every day. Morocco. Morocco is located in North Africa. It borders Algeria to the east. To the south is the Western Sahara region, which Morocco controls. It faces Spain across the Strait of Gibraltar. This country is also one of the few in the world to have coastlines on both the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea. Morocco has an area of 459,000 square kilometers. The nation is divided into 12 major regions. The capital, Rabat, is Morocco's political, cultural, and transportation hub. However, the country's largest city is Casablanca. It's also Morocco's main port and one of Africa's financial centers. The Western Sahara region in the south was previously a Spanish colony. After Spain withdrew in 1975, Morocco now controls approximately 3/4 of this territory, and has built sand walls here to prevent infiltration. Besides the territorial dispute in the south, Morocco's Mediterranean coastline to the north is notably complex. Look, Ceuta and Melilla within it are Spanish autonomous cities. The Chafarinas Islands and the island of Penin de el Husimas are Spanish overseas territories, and Spain's Penin de Villas de la Gomera Peninsula is connected to mainland Morocco by
only an 85-meter wide isthmus. This spot is also claimed to be the world's shortest land border. Geographically, Morocco sits precisely at the boundary of the African and Eurasian tectonic plates. The collision and squeezing of these plates form three mountain chains. These are the Middle Atlas, the Anti-Atlas, and the High Atlas Mountains. Among these, the High Atlas Mountains host the country's tallest peak, Mount Toukal, and cradle Morocco's longest river, the Dra River. To its southeast lies the world's largest desert, the Sahara Desert. It is thanks to these mountain barriers that the desert hasn't had a severe impact on Morocco. The coastal plains north of the mountains enjoy a pleasant climate year-round with abundant flora, and it even snows occasionally in high-altitude areas. After all, Morocco also has Africa's largest ski resort. South of the mountains, the climate is dry and desert-like. The country's rainfall distribution map shows a trend generally decreasing from north to south, and from the coast toward the interior. Additionally, cultivable land in Morocco accounts for about 18%. Forest cover is approximately 12%. Beyond having better geographical conditions than its neighbors, Morocco also possesses exceptionally rich natural resources.
The country holds an estimated 110 billion tons of phosphate reserves, accounting for 75% of the world total, ranking first globally. Importantly, the Moroccan-controlled Western Sahara also contains vast phosphate resources. Moreover, Morocco is Africa's largest fish producer, and the world's biggest exporter of sardines. In terms of population, Morocco has about 37 million people. The Casablanca Settlement region is the most populous, with 7.6 million residents. Over recent decades, Morocco has increasingly moved its population into the Western Sahara territory it controls. The population there now exceeds 440,000. Among Morocco's total population, Arabs make up about 80%, Berbers make up around 20%. Black people form a very small minority. The official languages are Arabic and Berber. French is widely used, and in the north, some people speak Spanish. Islam is the state religion, while a minority follow Christianity or Judaism. Speaking of Jews, historically, Morocco had the largest Jewish community in the Arab world. However, after the first Arab-Israeli War, the vast majority of these Jews either migrated or were expelled to Israel. As a result, Moroccan heritage now forms the second largest Jewish group in modern Israel. In summary, as one of Africa's top 5 economies, Morocco was historically a French protectorate, with parts colonized by Spain. Native Berber culture, Arab Islamic culture, and European influences blend together here. Thus it can be said, Morocco is perhaps the least African country in Africa.